Hi everybody, welcome to the channel, and if you're new, or no wait, welcome back to the channel, and if you're new, welcome. So we're gonna call this Throw It Out There Thursdays. So for today, I have an unboxing. So in case you want to get these for your kids, or adults even, it is the 2024 Advent Calendar 24-day countdown, Nightmare Before Christmas. I got this on Amazon. It was $15.99. I suggest if after we unbox it so you can see what's in it. It's by Franklin Theater. And it's Tim Burton's The Nightmare Before Christmas. So we're going to unbox this so you can see what's in it. And then you can decide if this would be something you would want to buy for your children or another adult that loves Nightmare Before Christmas like me. So let's get into it. It seems that, let me put my glasses on. They are numbered in order. 1, 2, 3, 4. Yep, they're numbered in order. So that makes it easy. So let's do the first one. Okay. Oh my goodness. So here's the first character. So you can get a reference for size. I have pretty small hands. So that's what she looks like. It's one of the kids. And it's rubbery. Does it stand up? No. Alright, so keep in mind that this one does not stand up. That's what they make double-sided tape for, right? Alright, let's get into door number 2. Alright, it's one of the other trick-or-treater kids. He's cute. He even has like a little hole up there. Maybe you could wear him as a necklace. Does she have that too? Oh, she does too. Do a little hole. Wear him as a necklace. Alright, so door number 3. The only reason I'm unboxing this is that way you know if you want to buy it, if it's worth the $15.99. Oh, look at it. Yeah, these are definitely, because they don't stand, for necklaces, or you could hang them on a cord across your wall, because that's probably what I'm going to do. Look how cute. Alright, day number 4. Oh, Oogie Boogie. Oh, he's cute. And he stands. Look how cute he is. Did you guys get to see that other one? Cute. Alright, so day 5. Okay. This one might be a little glow in the dark. Oh. Sorry about that, guys. It probably just deafened you. I don't know. We'll have to check that one out. I'll get back to you on that. Alright, day 6. Oh, Jack Skellington. It kind of looks weird, don't it? That's different. Okay. Day 7. Oh, look, it's cute. Little bat. Day 8. Sorry, I'm sweaty and my glasses are sliding off my face. Oh, another Jack Skellington. Does he stand? He does not. He's cute though. Alright, so day 9. Another Oogie Boogie. He stands. So both Oogie Boogies stand. Day 10. Now this box is a little bit weird to get into. It just, the perforations aren't the best. Oh, another Oogie Boogie. And he does not stand. Okay. Little ghost. Why does my fingernail look so orange? That's weird. Maybe from soaping the dyes. Because I was making pumpkin soap. Alright, oh, I'm sorry. Day 12. Day 13. Is this a repeat? No. Okay, little ghost. I love ghosts though. But I expected more like Jack Skellington. And it didn't really say that these were necklaces. They kind of made it like little statues. Alright, this one's cute, but alright, day 15. Oh, that's cute. Has nothing to do with Jack Skellington, but that's cute. Okay. Get over there. Day 16. Oh my goodness. Sorry guys. Having technical difficulties. Alright, so it's a little black ghost. Cute. I mean, they're all cute, and they've got some good weight. They're like rubber. But I just thought it would be more Jack Skellington themed. Okay, so we are on day 17. Oh, there's Sally. She's cute. Paint job looks pretty good. Or color job for her rubber. The rubber. This is day 18. Ah, we got a repeat. Oh, I'm pissed now. It's the same Jack Skellington. Ooh, not good. Day 19. Another black Oogie Boogie. And I think we already have one. We do, but it's not quite the same. This one has like bones and stitching. Alright, so day 20. Is a pumpkin. day 21. Is, I don't know, pirate, day 22. Oh, I know the character, but I can't think of it. Maybe you guys know. It's cute, though. Day 23. Hey, if you like this makeup look, check out Monday's video on Magical Monday. Alright, Ghost in a Pumpkin. And last but not least, day 24 is the exact one that we started with in a different dress color. Alright, so what do I think? So that's what it looks like when it's all torn up. What I'm going to do with them is probably hang them on a string with a knot on each side to hold them in place. Maybe hang them on the wall. I mean, for kids, and they are meant to be necklaces, so you would have to poke the rest of the way through and put them on a cord. They're cute. We did get 2 Jack Skellingtons. And we did get a Sally. I could have made her face a little blue. We got 2 of these kind of Oogie Boogies. And 2 lighter Oogie Boogies. Cute. I mean, adorable. Yeah. You know, they're bendy because they're rubber. But they are cute. For $15.99, you get 24 of them. So if you were doing a party and you wanted to give each kid a necklace, a different necklace, or use necklaces as a prize, this is really cute. Yeah, I would say it's worth $15.99 because at the Dollar Tree you'd end up paying $1.25 a piece for a necklace, maybe 2 for $1.25. So you would get 24 necklaces, or you could do it, make it like what I'm going to do is do like a little ghost garland. So I'm going to go 7 out of 10 because I expected it to be, it doesn't say on the description that they're necklaces, but I guess I should have looked at it better. I thought they were going to be like little figurines that you could stand on a shelf. So that's why I'm going to give it a 7 out of 10. What do you guys think? Very cute, though. I mean, and they're, like I said, they're durable, well made. They're real heavy rubber. And they smell like rubber. I mean, not god-awful, but... Okay, so that is my Throw It Out There Thursday. I hope you enjoyed this unboxing. And until next Thursday, we'll see you later. Bye.